Oh yeah. Hey guys, good to see you. Do me and Judah have been hearing noises and
Yeah, it wasn't that like fun.
yeah, we've been seeing things, hearing things. There goes another one, Judah. There goes another one.
There's another one.
There's another one, bro. Nice.
No, that's Chase probably.
That can, bro, it cannot be chased.
That had to be Chase.
That cannot be chased.
It was not Chase. That was Winnie. That was Winnie. That's Winnie.
No, that cannot be. That cannot be Weenie. I swear to God. If that's Weenie, then it's not. Alright? Guys, this is.
If it's Winnie, it's not.
What do you want? Don't you want to vlog this, Judah? No, just go, okay? I don't have a channel. I don't want a channel. It's just. What? God. What? Come on. Alright, so guys, mostly over there. You see that light?
Somewhere over there.
Is where all of it is happening.
Yeah, somewhere over there and like somewhere.
Weird things happening. Hey guys, like things are happening.
Not fun.
It's not fun at all.
Hey, look it. He's weird.
I heard another noise. I keep hearing noises, Judah. Alright, guys, this is where it gets twisty.
Yeah, this is where it gets super twisty.
The Twisted Pandora. Alright, guys, so this thing right here, I don't know. It just likes to speak or something. But, guys, I think, do you guys hear that? I swear to God, if we edit this, Judah, and if we edit this,
That'd be super weird.
and then if we just see a monster, then I'm like actually gonna send this out. I only think of that. God, me and Judah, well,
How bouncy. Look at that.
it looks sick as hell. Shine the light on it. Okay. What? I hear noises, Judah.
You guys can hear it. I will.
Please comment down below if you guys can hear this, because if Judah just deaf, then he's just deaf.
I'm not deaf.
Okay.
I know what I hear. I know what I see. I see some weird stuff.
Please tell me you heard that.
No, I did not hear anything.
Come on, Judah, you're so bad.
Dude, Colette, it's just an illusion.
Judah, it's not an illusion.
I swear.
I swear to God, I will give you like.
It's an illusion.
It's an illusion.
I swear to
Judah, how do you not hear that?
I don't hear anything. I swear, my dude.
Alright, guys, please comment down below if Judah's deaf.
Boom. Watch out.
Ooh, whoa.
I'm not deaf, okay? It's perfectly good. Perfectly fine. Do everything and anything. What was that?
It was a rock just fell from the tree. Did you see that?
I did not see anything, okay?
Okay, I saw that. You know, stop being deaf and blind.
I'm not being deaf, okay? I know what I saw and what I saw.
Why do there keep being rocks? Like, this one just came out.
Dude, there's rocks everywhere, Colette. There's rocks everywhere.
Yeah, but that one just rolled.
Colette, you guys comment down below if who's right, me or what the?
What the heck she's doing?
What?
Guys,
Chase was eating something. Where is he?
oh, hello. Can we just put him in his cage or what? Mommy, can we just put him in his cage? Can we just put him in the cage, Mommy? Oh, I can't believe it.
dejar aquí en el esquina. Ya no se va a ver.
Come on. Come on, dude, let's go. Come on.
Well, guys, pretty much
Caleb is seeing stuff and it's weird.
you're probably just, you can't hear it.
Caleb,
When it's coming, you
I
can't.
can hear from like a mile away.
What
And
the heck? That rock literally just. Okay, guys, you know what? That rock just put on my shoulder.
that rock! This one.
No, that.
This rock.
You throw it on me.
Throw it on me?
Why'd you throw it at me? That rock.
Because I thought that was a rock. Anyway, let's just keep going. Caleb keeps hearing things. It's weird as heck. Ow.
Ow!
Why'd you touch me?
I didn't get that out.
I swear someone touched me.
It wasn't me.
Touch me.
What the?
Where'd it go?
Oh my god! You will not believe what you just saw. What? I literally just saw a shadow floating in the air.
Okay, now.
No, it was like
I'm literally gonna go home now. I
Dude,
don't even care anymore, okay? It's just. Did you hear that? I don't know if you heard that.
guys, this is Judah right now. This is what he looks like. We both live together because we're brothers. Yeah, that's right. Yeah, just guys. You cannot believe, you know. That what we're seeing and hearing and what I'm doing.
Is anything here?
What? Guys, we started vlogging. And when we saw Winnie! Winnie, are you camera shy? Oh, Winnie's not camera shy. He's a savage there. Winnie. This is Winnie.
Oh, Winnie.
He loves to kiss people. Oh my god! I don't know if you guys saw that, but that pebble rock right here.
Yeah,
Really?
that pedal rock over there just flew out of no.
Oh hell no! Oh hell no! No, guys. Really? Tweety?
Hey!
You Tweety? I can't believe it. A few moments later, guys, I don't know what's happening, but I had a little shadow going on, so I had to vlog the camera instead. So, after me, Kyle.
Hey, brother!
Okay, back. And of course, we start back with another hearing noise over here.
I almost fell, dude.
Come on! Come on.
My hoverboard.
Come on. I remember Judah used to have a hoverboard, guys. Back in the old days. The old days indeed. That little rock. Guys, I'm even zoom in on it. This little pebble right here. This little pebble that Judah's
It's
carrying.
not a pebble.
Oh, this little rock right here. Just can't do it.
Yeah, that was creepy. And there's Weenie gun.
Weenie! Oh, Weenie! Weenie, Weenie. What the?
That was me.
Okay, good.
I threw the rock.
Oh, good. You scared me from wrong, actually. Guys?
King.
Today, guys?
Renee! Renee! I'm gonna say.
Hey, buddy. pretty much, guys. I've been recording for 10 hours already. 10 minutes. Oh,
That could not have been me. I had my hands on Weenie.
that cannot be me. I was just holding my 2 hands on this thing. Oh, come on. Guys, come on, guys. I think, guys, that me, Judah, Weenie, this is pretty much my mom's house. This place literally is like,
Willie's haunted, like.
oh boy. Oh, Weenie, you're so adorable, Weenie. You're so cute. You're so cute. Guys, I don't know if you guys can hear that, but
There's some weird ass kids over there.
those are some weird kids.
Yeah, some weird kids.
My mom literally lives in a mansion with kids just around. Bro, I keep hearing rocks. This is Judah's phone.
What's how?
I don't know, I keep hearing
It
things.
is about exactly 7:54 a.m. I have like.
It goes dark like at 5 o'clock.
It got dark and when we came back, and we got back at like 6 o'clock, so we've been out here about an hour now.
We've been here for like days.
Oh, I totally forgot. Yeah, just look away. I don't want to get copyrighted.
Oh my gosh, Judah is watching a Dragon Ball Super episode.